So to change oil in your differential, you have two bolts there, two plugs. You have drain plug below, you have filling plug from above. Before you start, unscrew first your filling plug, because if something goes wrong and you let out your oil and you can't unscrew your fill plug, the car will be stuck here. You will not be able to drive this car. So the rule is you unscrew the one from above first, and if that's okay, you do the drain plug. By the way, it's a
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
It's a socket to 24 millimeters. Now I'm sure I can unscrew the drain plug as well. Don't forget to clean your drain plug. You will have here some pieces of fragments of metal. It's okay. New washer. I don't know the specs, so I'm just going to tighten this as I can. So for this car differential, it's 75W90. You have to fill it in until it will be dropping off from your filling hole.